Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on some more modifications to the Subaru. We are going to be upgrading our lights, changing our spark plugs, and trying out a new light management system. I'm going to give you a look at everything we're going to kind of install and do to the car. And I'll show you throughout the video what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, stuff like that. Hopefully we're going to be able to fit 4 round lights across the top and 2 on the front, using a special mounting bracket for the front and the roof rack for the 4 on top. Still not 100% sure how I'm going to run the wire in for the top. The bottom's going to be easy enough. I don't know whether I'm going to tuck it, back behind the roof rack mounting system, and then somehow run it into the door, or figure out how to follow the roof seal water line all the way down. I'll figure it out and make it look the best I can. Again, we're building a rally car. They're not always super pretty, but they have to have lights, and, well, that's what we're doing. This is the bracket for the front. It mounts to the car like that. You got your 2 light holes, and it's pretty simple. It mounts into your license plate bracket. These are the lights we're going with. They are a white light with an amber ring around them, kind of like chicken lights. We got our spark plugs, 4 because it is a 4-banger, and our Blazer wireless management system. This is the older version. They do have a newer version that is controlled off your phone, but I went with the older one just to see how it works. And it's also on a timer, so you don't leave your lights on for a long time and kill your battery. I've got the rest of the lights in that box, and we're going to get to installing it on the car. 4 up there, 2 down here. I think I'm going to start with these 2. Alright guys, as you can see, I have the front bumper removed. That is so I can get to the back side to put the nut and stuff on the back when I drill my holes through and all of that. I'm going to use 2 of the factory holes of the factory front license plate mount. And you can still mount a license plate to this, which is really cool. This is a good time to just check everything out that you can look at while you're there. Check out your radiator and all of that. All of that looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead and finish pulling this off and get this bracket mounted up and move on to mounting the lights on it and trying to figure out how I'm going to mount the ones on the top. Alright guys, and just like that, it's on there. Nice little front bar. I mean, besides it just being mounted straight to plastic, it's really sturdy. Remember when you're tightening it up that it is just mounted to plastic. You can get this off Amazon for like 25 bucks. It's made by Nylite. It's just one of their bar mounting systems. I got the bumper reinstalled. I'm going to go ahead and mount both my lights here, and then get to mounting the ones on the roof, and then we'll figure out wiring after that. Alright guys, and as you can see, we got our lights mounted up. They look pretty good. I'm really happy with this little bar. Like I said, you are mounting to plastic, so it's not going to be the most sturdy thing in the world, but it does give you a way to mount these lights. And I think it just adds a little something to the front. Those are going to look good. Alright guys, and just like that, we got them all mounted up on the roof rack. So we got the roof rack ones done. The lighting in here is terrible, but you can see them. They're all 4 there. We got the front 2 done. But yeah, I love it. Little Subaru's coming along. Look at more and more rally build every day. Well, my take on a rally car. Now I got to get to installing the Blazer wireless management system, which should be pretty simple, and go from there. Alright guys, so we got a Blazer box mounted. It came with 2 screws. Mounted it just to my fuse box lid. It's in there good. You got a positive and a negative. Hooked it to the positive and negatives. Tied the rest of my wires together. The 2 fuses are currently out of it for install, so I didn't blow them, and for when I attach my wires. I've decided that I'm not going to do the spark plugs in this today. I don't find it necessary right now. There's a few other things I want to test before I put spark plugs in it. But we got our lights mounted up there. And of course the 2 on the front and our Blazer box installed. I think I'm going to wire the front 2 today and I might wait on those. I haven't exactly decided how I'm going to do those just yet. It seems like that's going to be more complicated than obviously just running those through there and to there. I got to figure out how I'm going to run those. I don't know whether I can run them down through this channel, which might be the easiest way to do it. Wire them straight off the backs, come down to here with some zip ties, and then run it down this channel under this plastic piece here and into the hood, which is probably how I'm going to do it, because I don't want to run it down here to here and then across here into the car and then through. So I'm probably just going to run it straight down through here and figure out a way to secure it in this channel. But I'm not sure how that's going to work out just yet. But I can't say I really like the way it looks. I mean, even from the back, that looks good. Alright guys, so we're going to have to end the video right here because I don't have any wire. I thought I had wire. I don't. I definitely love the way it looks. This light's a little pushed back. I think I hit it with my leg. I've tightened that one up a little bit. But yeah, definitely love the way it looks. Just not sure about the wiring up there yet. But yeah, I think I love it. I dig it. One step closer to the rally build, guys. That's gonna do us for today. Like I said, I don't have the wiring to wire them. I thought I did, I don't, and it's too late to run to town because I gotta get up and go to work in the morning. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram. It's always linked in the description below. And y'all stay frosty, and I'll see you next time.